and everybody huddled to the barriers, hoping for a better view, waiting for the floats to come through and leave a trail of confetti in their wake. On 1,000 roads we are coming home. Yellow streamers on the ground and blue balloons are floating overhead like restless satellites, focused on the concrete and straying down the side streets at the mercy of the temperamental breeze. On 1,000 roads we are coming home. Old familiar roads we are coming home. Every face was to the sky, a small town on a summer day to waste away with no better plan than to sit and watch a stray balloon, if only for an afternoon, and then continue on their way another day. On 1,000 roads we're coming home. Old familiar roads we're coming home. One moment it all can break. You pinch yourself, but you're already awake. No warning, the sky can crack. Take something that you never can get back. It leaves a hole that can't be filled, but time will let your heart rebuild. just glowing embers. With every dawn I'm feeling stronger still. But despite the slow decay, it never goes away. The slow, hypnotic, asymptotic slide toward letting go. Time passes in measured steps, most days better than the rest. Till one day it's a faded scar, so small but a part of who you are. And though that scar will never heal, the mind distorts and time conceals. The atom bomb is now just glowing embers. With every dawn I'm feeling stronger still. But despite the slow decay, it never goes away. The slow, hypnotic, asymptotic slide toward letting go. The half-life is a dull knife with a blade of rusty steel. The memory that's part of me never really heals. But every day it's dimming as the cloud around is thinning. But the pain, it still is stinging when I sleep. The atom bomb is now just glowing embers. With every dawn I'm feeling stronger still. But despite the slow decay, it never goes away. The slow, hypnotic, asymptotic slide, the once torrential, exponential glide toward letting go.